How to apply for EMS in China. Step-by-step guide. Are you planning to study EMS in China but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll guide you step-by-step on how to apply, the documents you need, and important tips to make your journey smooth. Stay till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip that can save you a lot of money. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and choose the right university. The first step is choosing the right medical university. China has many universities offering EMS in English, but not all are recognized in every country. Make sure the university is approved by the WHO, and if you're from India, check the MAKI or NMEC list. Some top universities include Beijing University, Fudan University, etc. Always verify if the degree is valid for licensing exams like FMG, USM, or PLAB. Step 2. Check the admission requirements. Every university has different eligibility criteria, but generally, you need higher secondary certificate HSC or 12th grade equivalent, minimum 50% in PCB NEET exam for Indian students, valid passport, English proficiency test, or Chinese language test HCS. Some universities may ask for it. Make sure you meet these criteria before applying. Step 3. Prepare required documents. Now, let's talk about the documents you need to submit. Academic transcripts, 10th and 12th mark sheets. NEET scorecard if applicable. Passport valid for at least 18 months. Application form of the university. Passport-sized photos. Medical checkup and police clearance certificate. Make sure your documents are translated into English or Chinese if required. Step 4. Apply to the university. Now that you have everything ready, it's time to apply. You can either apply directly through the university's website or via an authorized admission agency. Most universities require you to 1. Fill out the online application form. 2. Upload your documents. 3. Pay the application fee if required. 4. Wait for the admission letter. Takes 1-4 weeks. Pro tip: apply to at least 2-3 universities to increase your chances of admission. Step 5. Receive admission letter and JW-202 form. If your application is accepted, you'll receive an admission letter and the JW-202 form. This is the official visa application document from the Chinese government. You'll need this to apply for a student visa X1 or X2 visa. Now, let's move on to the visa process. Step 6. Apply for a student visa X1, X2 visa. 5. 3630. Visiting a visa application center or showing an online application process. To apply for a student visa, visit the nearest Chinese embassy or consulate with these documents: admission letter and JW-202 form, valid passport, visa application form, passport-sized photos, bank statement, proof of funds may be required, medical examination report. Visa processing takes about 1-4 weeks, so apply early. Step 7. Book your flight and prepare for departure. Checking flight tickets online. Packing bags. Once you have your visa, book your flight to China. Check your university's orientation schedule and make sure to carry passport and visa, admission letter, and university documents. Some cash in Chinese yuan, RMB, essential clothes and medicines. When you arrive, the university will help you with registration and accommodation. And that's it. You're now ready to start your EMS journey in China. Bonus tip: how to save money on admission. You giving a confident and friendly closing statement. Here's a bonus tip. Many universities offer scholarships or discounts on tuition fees if you apply early or through official admission channels. So, apply as soon as possible and look for scholarship opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel EMS in China for more valuable tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.